A lower pH range means acidic soil and a high pH range means alkaline soil. Some plants only survive on acidic soil, they won't thrive with too high pH. Plants that need to grow in acidic soil. Flowering plants, hydrangea, camellias, wood anemones, azaleas, rhododendrons, etc. Vegetables, examples of vegetables with acid-loving plants are cucumbers, sweet corn, broccoli, and onions. Trees, examples are beech, dogwood, oak, and evergreen trees. Fruits, blueberries, cranberries, and huckleberries are all acid-loving plant fruits. Reasons why you need acidic soil. Plants that thrive in acidic soil. One reason why you need acidic soil is that some plants only thrive in acidic soil. Too much alkaline in soil. The other reason is that there might be too much alkalinity in the soil and you might need to correct and balance the soil pH by adding acid to the soil. Procedure on how to add acid to soil. Preferably, the appropriate soil pH for most plants should be about 6.5, which is slightly acidic. However, some plants will require you to add more acid to their soil for them to flourish. Soil testing. The first thing you should do before adding acid to your soil is to test your soil. This way, you have an idea of the status of your soil pH level. Adding acid to soil. Sulfur. Sulfur is a good soil amendment for acid-loving plants. However, you should always follow instructions on how to use sulfur. Adding sphagnum peat moss. Adding sphagnum peat moss is one way you can increase soil acidity. Peat moss will not only increase the soil acidity, it will also add organic content to your soil. All you need do is add about 2 to 3 inches of peat moss to the uppermost soil and mix well into the soil. Ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate is also a good option for increasing plant acid. However, ammonium sulfate will require some care because it is quite strong and can burn plants. Therefore, always read and follow instructions while applying. Acid fertilizer. One other easy way to add acid to your plant is with an acid fertilizer. Iron sulfate. Adding some iron sulfate can also increase soil acidity. After successfully increasing soil acidity, you need to sustain this pH level. Therefore, adding organic matter is important to sustaining the soil pH. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.